Hello and good day to you, Dr. Sim. I'm NURNABIHah MAHFUZAH wa MUSTAPA, and I'm going to be presenting phase one for our team project, which is called Camping System. This will be my leadership presentation based on the phase that I handle. Firstly, we have problem statements for our phase one that were presented by Camping Pro Place. We have three problems. The first problem being manual booking through WhatsApp. Clients that want to book through Camping Pro Place or any camping places, even today, they usually need to go through WhatsApp and to ask only to get availability from the organizer. Because of that, it will take quite a long time, or we can say uncertain waiting period because sometimes it can be longer, sometimes it can be shorter, and that can cause frustration to clients. Problem number two is no direct selling of camping items. Camping Pro Place only sell their items through Facebook for now. So anyone who wants to buy, they have to contact through Facebook chat or WhatsApp, and they have to go through so many processes, which is not effective. Problem number three, it is quite difficult to update campground info to the clients and also to push any promotion alerts to the clients as well. Through this, I learned how to use my active listening skills as a leader to identify and diagnose what problems Camping Pro Place are having and which ones are the ones that we need to focus on. We have three goals or objectives. The first one is to design a web application with nature theme suitable for camping concept. The second one is to build or support an e-commerce feature so that Camping Pro Place can sell the items, camping items to the clients. Lastly, Camping System will build a database that can store various data, including the items data, orders data, booking data, and also location services and promotional data. Through this, I learned how to solve the problems that Camping Pro Place presented to us and came up with three goals that are achievable and realistic to the project timeline. The scope of the project involved having Malaysian users as its main users. The technology that we are using will be Figma, which is to design our UI, Firebase to build the database for the system, and then XAMPP to test the code that is involved in making the system. The system will be a web application software where it is accessible through any web browser. Camping system have four features, include camping booking system, location services where users or clients can look to where the campsite is located, and then the system will navigate the users to the location. It will have weekly promotional events that will alert the users to use promo codes. And lastly, it will have an online shop and e-commerce system where users and the staff can sell and buy the items available. However, there are certain features that camping system will not do, which include online chat. Users and staff cannot interact through any chatting feature, and also live support where staff cannot give any live support through the users. The users will need to go to a help page that will be designed for the system. Through this, I learned tolerance and consideration as my leadership skill because we as a team were brainstorming as to what features to include and whether it is feasible with our timeline or not. Some of the features that we use are quite huge in scale, and might be longer than others, but those are the features that are very important to be included to the system so that we achieve the goals of the project. The software model that we decided to use for the project is Agile methodology. Reasons being is that it is flexible to adapt changes to any of the phases that we are in currently. And then we can also improve client satisfaction through the constant feedback that we can get from the client, which will be the Camping Pro Place staff. And lastly, we can deliver faster increments as Agile methodology promotes iterative process. I was able to practice my strategic thinking through this part of the phase where we wanted to decide which methodology we wanted to use. At first, we were thinking of using a framework like Scrum, but we decided that adhering to the general Agile methodology is good enough for this type of project that we're doing. This is the Gantt chart for our camping system. It has all the 5 phases based on the Agile methodology that I just showed you. But here in software design phase, it is divided into 2 sub-phases so that it is easier to get feedback and reduce risk throughout the project timeline. Total weeks spent on the project is 9 weeks. And by 17 June, we have managed to nearly complete the project on time. I learned how to manage the time properly, and we were able to estimate how much time it would take for us to complete certain phase and to also adhere to that time period so that we don't get sidetracked with other assignments that we have at that time.
My name is THARANI. I'm going to explain about camping system phase. Phase 2. The overview of phase 2 is the system documentation SDs, detailed description of the camping system software product in development. This document is divided into 3 parts. There are SRS, STD, STD. There are 4 categories that are user characteristics, system features, system quality attributes, performance and design constants. This SD document aims to be stakeholders engagement in development, testing and development phases camping system software product. It gives clear, comprehensive overview of the requirements, designs and testing methods should be referred at all stages software development recycle. I'm going to explain about phase 2 specific requirements. The user characteristics camping system software target 2 types of primary users. The first one is Camping Pro Place and the first direct stakeholders. The second stakeholder will be end users, the clients, Camping Pro Place. Camping Pro Place staff, they are expected to know the expected knowledge of anything related to camping. End user, most of the end user are an expert to classify into 2 categories, invoice and experiment campus. There are 4 types of systems features. There are booking module, location service module, promotion module, e-commerce module. Description of the module and functions are: booking module have 6 use case, location module have 5 use case, promotion module have 5 use case, e-commerce module have 3 use case. These are the domain class. This is the use case check availability. The first use case is check availability. The alternative flow is the end of the decision not to book the camping slot. The users only check availability of camping slots. And the exception flow is: system fails to make booking, the system fails to secure booking slot, the system display an error message, booking, camping booking slot failed. This is the activity diagram and this is the sequence diagram. The second is track booking status. There is no alternative flow. Expression flow is: system fails to show how the booking status, the system display an error message. And then the track booking status of the activity diagram in this sequence diagram. There are use case. The alternative flow is: The user choose no booking. In the exception flow, the fields cancel booking. The system failed booking camping slots. The system display error message failed the cancel booking. For the use case for camping website, there is no alternative flow. The post condition will be able to view location as well the detail. The exception flow, the system will display error message detail coming soon. View campsite, the user of the activity diagram, and this is the sequence diagram. And the next for location is search location. There is no alternative flow. The post condition is user will be able to search campsite location using search bar. The exception flow is no campsite in the location. System display error, no camping site available at the location. For the promotion is use case, the claim promotion. The post condition is promotion successfully claimed by user. The exception flow is invalid promotion. System display error message. This is the sequence diagram. And then for e-commerce, there are manage orders, and this is the alternative flow. There are edit order details, update order details, cancel order details. In the post conditions, exception flow, the system unable to connect. The system show error message and normal flow. This is the activity diagram for manage orders and sequence diagram. And then the software attributes, performance, other requirements. There are non-functional requirements in the system to describe how the system should behave and operate rather than what it should do. They address characteristic qualities of the system: usability, reliability, performance, security, maintainability, and compatibility. There are three main categories, and non-functional requirements such as software attributes, performance, and requirements. Reliability, the website will correctly consider any error on setting. Usability, the website will be user-friendly and will be easy to interact with the system. Portability, system will access the different platforms. Maintainability, the describe can easily modify, repair, and care complications. The social media integration, the website can interact with social media features, can be allow users share the camping experience, connect with other, promote social media. The performance of the required following is response period of time. The website will be provide quick response to requests, ensuring the page load promptly, interact with the seamless. Throughput, the website will be capable handling the concept of the particular browsing and campsites. Capacity, the website able to data campground availability is a compromise. Availability, the website will be operational. User significant portion time, minimal downtime distributions. Scalability and other requirement following is like security, safety, legal and regularity, and environmental. Based on my reflection, phase 2 requires us to draw a design class diagram, activity diagram, and sequence diagram. Both class diagram, activity diagram are needed for camping system. During the comprehension, we will be assigned to our own path. My part is to draw a use case diagram, activity diagram, and sequence diagram. Although I only draw 3 diagrams, my group member also helped me during the process of the comprehension. This phase 2 helped me on how to draw good design class diagram and sequence diagram. That will be included all of my requirements given. I would like to say thank you to my group member. Without their cooperation and dedication toward the problem, we couldn't have pulled out the solution together. Thank you.
Phase 3, presented by DURKA. Yeah, it's me. For system architectural design. The suitable architectural pattern for this campaign system is model view controller pattern. So we have choose this MVC because the MVC pattern separate the logic into 3 components, which are model view and controller. The rationale for choosing this MVC pattern is a separation of concern, where MVC clearly separate between the data and presentation and control logic. This is our component model where search location, and once they search the location, then can check the availability for the booking, for reserve or booking. So once they reserve or booking, they have to they are manage reservation, and also they also can view promotion. What are the promotion available for that particular bookings of the places. So after they see the promotion, they can book with claim the promotion or without the promotion. Once they have finished the campaign, they can go to campaign item to select item, whichever what they want, like photos, any details about the campaign, they can get into campaign item, which is e-commerce subsystem. So there are 4 subsystem: location, booking, promotion, and e-commerce. So this is our complete package diagram. So first is the UI framework, and as I said, there is a 4 subsystem, which is booking and also e-commerce and also promotion and also location. So booking subsystem is first view booking. So booking input is called by the method booking, view the booking page. So algorithm is start once the booking is start. So it read details from the user. If available for the date and time, proceed to next step. Else display error message. If create new booking, they need set user ID, set full name, set password, and set email address. Then end. Next to select booking. So the algorithm is read available from the user. If availability is detected, proceed to the next step. If not, display error message. If booking slot, they need set user ID, set date, set number of people, set check-in time and check-out time, set full name. Return the booking details. And next is complete booking. So the output will be the complete the booking process. So the algorithm is read input from the user. If retrieve the booking detail, get checkout time, get check-in time, get booking ID, get full name, get total price, get number of people. Then at last print your booking is complete receipt. So it will be N. So the next is update booking status. So the output will be the booking state, update the booking status. Input will be the called by the method from booking. So algorithm will be read input from staff. If staff click update location, set booking status. If not, display booking page. Then end. The next we move to location subsystem. So location subsystem is first search location. The algorithm will be read input from user. If input available for the user, proceed to the next step. If not, display error message. If input equals to address, return photo, coordinates, details as print location not found. And then view location. So view location is the algorithm will be read input from user. If user click view location, return photos, coordinates and details of the location as display location page. Next is navigate location. The algorithm will be read input from user. If user clicks navigate button, return distance and duration as display campsite location map. Then update location. Update location, the algorithm will be read input from the staff. If staff click update location, then it will be asked set photos, details, and set coordinates and set address. If not, display location page. Then we'll move to promotion subsystem. So promotion subsystem is first we see view promotion. View promotion is start read details from the user. If promotion are available, display promotion page, display promotion details as display error message. And the next is manage promotion. Read input from the staff. If promotion claimed by the users, display available promotion. If not, display promotion page. If reach the promotion limit, the promotion page will remove the promotion. The next is claim promotion. The algorithm will be read detail from the user. If promotion are available, claim the promotion as display an error message. The next is update promotion. The algorithm will be read details from the staff. If staff press update, set promotion else display error message. If the staff create new promotion, then set date and end date else display promotion page. If delete the promotion will be removed from the page else display promotion. And next we move to e-commerce subsystem. So e-commerce subsystem view item. First, if the user click view item, then call get name, get photo, get description, get size, get color, get discount, and get availability. As call get name, get photo, get discount, get availability. And then We move to add new item. Read input from the user. Call item, item ID, string name, string photos, string size, string color, string discount, string keyword. Display the new item added. Then edit item. Read input from the stuff. Call set name, set photo, set description, set size, set color, set discount, set availability. Print updated item info. Then search item. The algorithm will be input from the stuff. Call search keyword. If search keyword equals to keyword, display relevant items. Else print item not found error message. Then view order. If user click view order, call get order ID, get details, get shipping status, get order status, get total price. Else call get order ID, get shipping status, get order status, get total price. Then end. Then edit order. The algorithm for the edit order is if get shipping status equals to shipped, read input from user, call set details, as print order cannot be edited, error message. Then updated shipping status. So read input from the staff, call set shipping status, print latest shipping status. Then the cancel order. The input will be cancel request from the users. Output will be accept or reject cancellation requests for an order. The algorithm will be read input from the user. If user request is approved, set order status to cancelled. Else, print cancellation is rejected. Error message. Throughout the course and project, I improved my ability to communicate effectively with my team members and instructor. This involves abilities such as active listening, clearly articulating ideas, and providing constructive feedback. Moreover, I also learned to work collaboratively in a team atmosphere. This includes recognize my contribution to the team, encouraging and supporting others, and constructively resolving problem or disagreement. While working on the project, I learned a lot about how to develop a system that will be lead to its success, and also a lot about the documentation and also class diagram and also component model and all of that. I even learned more about the diagrams and also proper way to create the diagram according to the project requirement. Thank you. That's all from me.
My name is Yogaruban. I will be explaining about the phase 4 of this report. In the previous phases, we have completed the introduction, specific requirement, system architectural design, detailed description of components, and also data design. In this final phase, which is phase 4, we have completed the phase by adding requirements, traceability metrics, and also test cases for each subsystems. As we can see here, we have the requirement traceability metrics from package or subsystem 1 until subsystem 4. We included all the use case as well as the sequence diagram ID and also the test case ID for easy referring and description of use case and also sequence diagrams. So we have four packages: package 1, package 2, package 3 and package 4. In every package we have included the description of use case and also the sequence diagram description as well as the test case IDs. So in this requirement traceable metric we have 18 test cases we have conducted for the requirement of this project. Next is we have did the test cases for all the subsystems. So for the example, we have the booking subsystem test. So we have conducted around 6 tests for each use case, and each test actually have 3 scenarios which are normal, alternative and exception. Some of the test case have only 2. We have provided the test case ID created by who, the tester name, tested date, and also the test data and steps in detail on how we navigate the system and also the expected result of each steps. And this is for all the booking subsystems: cancel booking, managing booking, update booking status, edit booking. That's all for the booking subsystem. For the location subsystem, we have 5 test case which are view campsite map, which has two scenarios which are normal and exceptions. Next is the search location. This also include the two scenarios normal and exceptions. Next is navigate to location, manage map, update location information. Next subsystem is for promotion event. In the promotion event, we have four test cases, which are test view promotion, which has two scenarios, normal and exception. The next is claim promotion, also have two scenarios, normal and exception. And then for the manage promotion, we have two scenario also, normal and exception scenarios, which are these and also this. And final test case for the promotion subsystem is update promotion, which have three scenarios, normal, alternative and exception. These are the normal, alternative and also the exception scenario. Next is for the subsystem e-commerce. We have 8 test cases we have conducted. So the first one is actually test view item. Next is test search item. This include two scenarios, normal and alternative. This is the normal, so this is the alternative. Next we have the test add new item, which include only one scenario, which is normal scenario. And for the next is test edit item, which has normal flow scenario only. And next is view order test, also has one scenario only, which is normal. And for the test edit order, we have two scenario, which is normal scenario and alternative. This is the normal scenario and this is the alternative scenario. And then we have the cancel order test case, which has two scenarios, which are normal and alternative. This is for the normal scenario and this is for the alternative scenario. And the final test case is for test update status, shipping status. This include only one scenario, which are this one. This include the step details and the expected result. So that's all for the completion of phase 4. Thank you. Okay, for my reflection, for the last part of the project report, we are required to complete the report by including the requirement matrix and also the test cases in this report. For the test cases, we need to have our test cases, which are from subsystem booking, location service, promotion and also e-commerce. During the completion, we have already separated our part equally. The test case that we need to build must be referring to our subsystem. I learned how to complete the test case and also their requirement, and also learn how to point out the steps for test case in details. I found out that we need to complete project report 3 with a complete diagram. Otherwise, we have a problem in creating the test cases as the sequence diagram is not enough in the previous report. I also learned that we need to always inform the group members once we have done on our part for our work been checked by our group members before submitting it. Lastly, to my group members, I had always believed in you guys and I never disappointed on you. Thank you guys for completing this project successfully. So that's all from me. Thank you.